Hi kids! Today's topic is all about three-letter IP family words. IP. IP. Let's get started. Letter I sounds I and the letter P sounds P. Together they make a sound IP. IP. D. Ip. Dip. Dip. L. Ip. Lip. Lip. Ip. Sip. Sip. Ip. Tip. Tip. Z. Ip. Zip. Zip. Kids, let's practice once again. Read with me. D. Ip. Dip. Ip. Hip. L. Ip. Lip. N. Ip. Nip. P. Ip. Pip. R. Ip. Rip. S. Ip. Sip. T. Ip. Tip. Z. Ip. Zip. Kids, your turn to read now. Good job, kids. Good reading. Bye-bye, kids. See you later. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the new video alerts. Link to all phonics videos are given below in the description box. Keep watching.